Hey everyone, my name is Aaron and welcome to my 2-minute DIY. Today we're going to be building a power box. If you're looking for a way to charge your cell phone for a weekend camping trip and you need more power than one of these power packs can give you, take a look at this project and see what you can accomplish for yourself. This project is fully customizable for battery size and different features you'd like to have in your power box. The material you use for your box is up to you. I had some hickory laying around, so I used that as well as some MDF. You can go as simple as just getting a battery box from Amazon. Before you choose your box dimensions, lay out all the components to make sure they will fit well inside your box. For my project, I wanted a way to monitor the battery level. I wanted USB ports and a wireless charging pad. The 10 amp hour lithium battery I chose for my project should be able to charge a phone somewhere between 7 and 10 times. Once I had decided on my final layout and completed the box, it was time to start installing all the components. The power switch, the USB components, and the battery level all came as a part of one unit. I also needed an internal USB port to power the wireless charging pad. The final element was a pass-through 12-volt plug so that I could plug in the battery charger. Once I had everything in place, I just twisted the wires together, positive with positive and negative with negative. I then used some heat shrink tubing and electrical tape to make sure they stayed secure. I will leave links in the description for all the components I used in this project. Now you are ready to close up the box and test it out. To charge the power box, I recommend one of these small battery chargers, either from Battery Tender or NOCO. I have had good experience with both. Now it's time to go do it yourself, and if you'd like to see more DIY projects like this one, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.